Hey folks, Jon Najarian here, top of the mountain here at Palmas. Take a look at this gorgeous view, huh? Anybody that ever asks me, why do you live there? I've got a whole bunch of answers. This is a new area that's being redeveloped or developed. That's the 3,000 other acres that's already developed, and boy, is it ever nice. But I thought I'd give you a real quick, not just, hey, shortening up on my swing or anything like that, but letting you know how I'm trading right now, because I am trading a lot. I'm taking those profits quick, as I said in the previous video about shortening up the swing. But here's why you have to do that, folks. Because otherwise, when you have too big of a loss, you get these blinders on both sides. You can't see anything else but that big loss. Whether it's your whole portfolio or whether it's a certain stock, like, you know, for instance, CrowdStrike. That thing's a piece of crap, right? Well, it's been just moving down, moving down, moving down. Well, what you got to do is you got to clear your head. And I don't just mean with a workout. That's part of it, sure. But you got to clear your head. If that means you have to cut that position in half, if that means you trade out of the stock, which I did this week, I didn't have CrowdStrike, but I had a number of other stocks that I traded out of, including Amazon, traded out of them, and then put on option spreads. Why? I could define my risk. So all of a sudden, those blinders are off. Now I can do things again. Now I can actually figure out, okay, here's the opportunity right now. It's why I crushed this week in energy again. It's why those put spreads in the IWM or QQQ really worked, and I let them run. Why? Because all of a sudden, took off the blinders. So my advice to you is, if you've got a position that's really hurting you, take off the blinders. Move on, whether it means you liquidate or just reduce. Keep that in mind. Bang! Jon Najarian from marketrebellion.com.